Hello everyone, Darkness Destroyer here, and welcome back to Animal Jam. I know it's been a long time, and I got very distracted, and I did a lot in this game, actually, because my friend Fox has it, and so they got me into doing stuff with them. So the house looks very different. I updated it a lot, added a lot to it. It's looking better than ever. I got an axolotl pet, obviously. He's got a cute helmet, nice water wings. But that's not all I did. I have a new place, actually. Ta-da! So it's fairly new, but I have quite a bit. Still got the wonderful buffet here, but just to show off that I'm rich, obviously have to have the pile of sapphires, because why not? I still have to find a lot and add a lot to this place, but it's not bad. It's very empty, which is why I still prefer having the other one, but it's not bad. We got the bedroom with the moon, so we can do a good owl, you know? Monster, very relaxing. But yeah, so got all this going for myself. Got my wolf here with the biggest and fluffiest paws, of course, and then we also have the other one as well. Who has also got the fluffiest paws ever. You can see that, the beautiful fluffy paws and the tail. It's beautiful, of course. But yeah, that is what I have been doing for quite a while. So I'm still gonna try to make videos on this, like add a lot more to this house. My favorite is still probably going to be the small house until I get more stuff for this one. But yeah, that is kind of where I'm at this game, and apologies for not recording anything. But yeah, I just wanted to show off the detail. I was very proud of all of this, and yeah, maybe in the next one we'll go to like some parties or something. Who knows? Anyways, yeah, just a little Animal Jam update for y'all. And I hope you enjoyed, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Till next time.